I want the building. So right there is 441 Bourbon. It's right on the corner of Bourbon Street in St. Louis. This was Carlos Marcello's 500 Club. This is the epicenter of all things Carlos Marcello in the French Quarter. And it was a burlesque club run for years by Marcello and his associate Frank Caracci. As you can tell, it's right here in the heart of things. It's pretty busy. Judith Very Baker wrote a book, Me and We, and in that book she wrote that Jack Ruby took her there along with Lee Harvey Oswald and David Ferry. And they all went, this is the whole crew here. You remember David Ferry's name's already come up because Oswald worked with David Ferry out of the Newman building on Operation Mongoose. And of course Ferry's name come up again because allegedly, according to Jack Martin, he was supposed to be the getaway pilot for Lee Harvey Oswald after the assassination in Dallas. So not a big surprise that Ferry and Oswald and Judith Very, whose name has already come up because she worked with Oswald in the coffee building. So, and they were having an affair. The surprise there is Jack Ruby, that he would be the Warren Commission went to great lengths to try to convince everybody Jack Ruby didn't know any of these people. Jack Ruby not only knew them, he was friends with them. We'll get to the medical Manhattan part of it here in a little bit, but Jack Ruby came to this building to buy a showgirl to take back to Dallas to work at the Carousel Club. Her name was Jada. And of course, if you're going to buy a showgirl in New Orleans, you had to buy her from Carlos Marcello. If you're going to buy her from Carlos Marcello, you got to come to his 500 Club because that's where he does his business. So, according to Judith Very, Jack, Ruby, David, Ferry, Oswald, they all came together, and then Carlos Marcello showed up later, as did Clay Shaw. We're going to go to Clay Shaw's house here in a minute, and Hugh Ward, a pilot for Carlos, and one of Guy Bannister's partners. This was the summer of '63, and Ruby had traveled from Dallas to New Orleans to look at Jada and see if he wanted to purchase her. Later, Jada appeared before the Warren Commission to testify, but later they couldn't find her when they wanted to ask her some more questions, even though she appeared 2 months later in a Pittsburgh Press article. Jada just as far as the Warren Commission was concerned, Jada was a problem because Jada could corroborate the fact that Jack Ruby knew Oswald, that Jack Ruby knew David Ferry, and that they all knew Clay Shaw, and that they all were affiliated with Carlos Marcello and met together at this 500 Club in the summer of '63. Jada's testimony was a problem. So as far as the Warren Commission was concerned, Jada disappeared. Anyway, the 500 Club is what I wanted you to see. It's right down here, Bourbon Street, right in the thick of all the French Quarter action.